We had a swarm of bees. It's really rare to see nowadays, but we had it. Not only that, we had 2 swarms of bees in one day. We have been super busy. These bees just showed up. They are not from our existing beehives. Someone close by must have had bees and they were not taking care of them. They came to us probably because of all the perennials and pollination flowers that we grow. We attempted to catch the swarm and we were successful. It's hard and painful work. Because they are in a tree, we had to climb up to them. Our bee jackets are not the full suit and therefore any bee stings through the jeans can prick the skin when the knees are bent. Unfortunately, the bees did sting, but we had plantain on hand. If you don't know what the plantain herb is, you should check out the video I did on it. It is absolutely great for bee stings. Once we get to the bees on the ladder, the fun begins. We have to scrape the bees into a bucket. Most of them will fall into clumps. We have to continue doing this until we are certain we have captured the queen. The worker bees will follow the queen and protect her at all costs. When we have the bees in the bucket, they are then put into the hive. We hope that they will stay there, but there is always that chance that they will leave. There is also the chance that we did not collect the queen bee in the process. It is always nice to have a backup beehive just in case something like this happens. Capturing these bees and beginning a 3rd beehive saves about $200. That's a lot of money. We will leave the hive under the tree where the bees were captured for several days and make sure to transport to their final destination when the sun goes down to keep them happy. We will make sure not to use flashlights as this will make the bees panic. We hope that you have enjoyed this video, and if you are ever in this situation, we hope that you are able to capture a hive successfully. Remember, it's not about if, it's about when. We here at SHTF Survival Homestead Teaching Farm thank you for subscribing to our channel and watching us as we learn and then teach you about homesteading.